Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2013 Volkswagen Amarok dual cab ute, stock reference number 5418. The shape runs from the 12th month 2010 through to the 6th month 2016. It has a CDCA 2-litre 4-cylinder twin-turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual 4-drive transmission. CDCA 2-litre 4-cylinder twin-turbo diesel engine. We have the right-hand headlight, radiator grille, left-hand headlight, Dobinsons steel bull bar with all bolts and brackets, filler panel and grille, left guard appears to have no damage, aftermarket flare, a set of fuel 17-inch alloy mags, all with good tyres, left power door mirror, left front door has 2 small dents, left rear door has 1 small dent, left rear 17-inch fuel alloy mag with a good tyre, factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. Right rear, 17-inch fuel alloy mag, sold as a set with a good tyre. Right rear door, 2 small dents, right front door, 1 small dent, right guard, no damage, aftermarket flare and snorkel. Right front, 17-inch fuel alloy mag, sold as a set. Driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior, manual type centre console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, aftermarket touchscreen CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp and sunglass holder, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor and the instrument cluster.